Il-President tal-Grupp Tal-Ewro, il-korp informali fejn il-Ministri tal-Istati membri taż-Żona tal-Ewro jiddiskutu kwistjonijiet marbuta ma' responsabbiltajiet komuni tagħhom brabta mal-Ewro, faħħar lil Malta l-irkupru ekonomiku b'saħħtu wara l-pandemija u talli għandha l-inqas rata ta' qgħad fl-istorja minkejja l-isfidi li l-Ewropa għaddejja minnhom. Paschal Donohue, li huwa wkoll il-Ministru għall-Finanzi Irlandiż, kienet jitkellem wara laqgħa privata li kellu mal-Ministru għall-Finanzi Malti Tal-Ekonomija it-tlieta filgħodu. Donohue sostna li minkejja l-isfidi ta' madwarna bħal dawk tal-COVID-19 u l-gwerra fl-Ukrajna, l-ekonomija Maltija baqgħet tikber.
Despite such a challenging context and despite facing a new challenge so soon after dealing with the huge challenges that we faced in dealing with the pandemic, what we have seen is the ability of the economy of Malta to continue to grow in very uncertain and very challenging economic conditions.
Il-President tal-Grupp Tal-Ewro ċenna wkoll ar-rata tal-qgħad f'pajjiżna li hija l-inqas fl-istorja filwaqt li faħħar ukoll is-sosten tal-Gvern quddiem l-isfidi li sab ma' wiċċu.
Now to be in a place where the unemployment rate is below 3% and where we're seeing a particularly strong economic recovery taking place here in Malta is a testament to the work that has been undertaken by Minister Kienu and the efforts that were made to support the economy of Malta while responding back to the pandemic.
Punt ieħor li laqgħat lajn ta' Donohue kien il-pjan tal-rkupru b'saħħtu min-naħa ta' pajjiżna u esprima sodisfazzjon tiegħu għall-laqgħa fil-pjanar tal-Gvern Malti.
The recovery plan that was brought forward by Minister Kienu and by the Government of Malta is a very, very strong plan. It is a plan that was brought forward to help us recover from COVID, but it is a plan that will continue to be very important as we respond back to the different challenges that we are acknowledging this morning.
Donohue innota wkoll l-importanza ta' sostenibilità fl-għajnuna li tingħata sabiex ma jfeġġux sfidi ekonomiċi ġodda fil-futur. Intant il-Ministru għall-Finanzi Tal-Ekonomija qal li waqt il-laqgħa privata mal-President tal-Eurogroup ġiet diskussa l-Aġenda Ewropea s-sitt xhur li ġejjin u l-isfidi kurrenti fosthom dawk tal-enerġija u l-inflazzjoni. Wara bat ma dak li sostna Donohue li dawn l-isfidi jiġu miġġielda b'mod sostenibbli.
All this has to happen within a framework of financial sustainability. We have to make sure that the burdens that governments take upon themselves do not burden more than what is necessary future generations.